Hello everyone, my name is Gaganji. I am from Government Engineering College, Chamranagar, and I am 2026 passed out, and I got placed on the package of 2.4 LPA. And when I want to explain about my experience in JSpiders, it is very good where they provide the very industrial related teachings in simple way, so every students can easily understand the tools and technologies whichever used in industries. So students, it will helps to students to get easily placed for the industries. So all trainers are very good, and they provide the friendly feeling, so we can easily communicate with the trainers and all staffs. So it will helps to improve our communication skills and reduces the stage fears regarding that. So it will very helpful to every student. So please come join for JSpiders for your futures. Thank you.